many of us kaumātua kuia, our mokopuna live in Australia, Auckland and everywhere else. And those collectives of our people are becoming bigger and stronger and more integrated with the Pākehā way of life. So I think that our whole way forward has to seriously focus on where they're going in this modern technological world and how that fits with what we hope to maintain as tino rangatiratanga for our people. And it's going to be a big job, and it's going to take some very, very smart people, people with big hearts, and people who are willing to fight for it.
Solely and purely to support my people from all the different tribes, for all the injustices that the Crown had put upon them, all the detrimental stuff that they've caused, the abuses, everything like that. So whatever they want to share with the world and asking for address or whatever, I want to support them.
Before the water company came in and took our water, we used to live in our puna. We survived with our tuna, we survived with our water krehi and our kewai. Now, if you find a kewai, it's so small, it's not the same. We even struggle to find tuna in our puna now, so my mokos don't have the same, don't enjoy what we enjoyed when we were children.
Buy it back? What are we buying back? You know, whānau, what are we buying back? A raped piece of land. What we should be saying is that we gave it to you and you, oh sorry, we didn't give it to you, but you took it in pristine condition. Don't ask us to buy back a raggedy land. You know, it's all polluted. Our river down the bottom of that whenua is polluted from farming, from deforestation. No, we should not ever be told to buy back that.
We have a right to be compensated for theft. You know, if we were just talking about someone stole our car, it's a stolen car, whether it was yesterday or 10 years ago or 100 years ago, it's still a stolen car. So why do we get hung up on, you stole my car, you threw it in the lake, it's now rusty or whatever, but you still owe me. Well, you stole my land, you've dug it up, you've done everything, you've put your cloaks on it, you've done everything, but it's still mine. And maybe you can't give it back to me, but you can compensate me for it. Why wouldn't you? Why wouldn't we expect that?
Tā kumoia, hau mai, hara mai. Me he mea, kua riro whenua atu. A hoki whenua mai. Whakatau ki nā te traibunara ke rungara, nā ka mau mai, kua riro whenua. A hoki whenua.
And we've got to take this time to get ourselves sorted, to make sure, to communicate to our people about what the vision is. If you haven't got a vision, where the hell are you going? Nowhere.
Tika. There's just so many issues, you know, there's social issues, there's social development, environmental, you know, our people and everything, you know, there's so many layers of what's happened to our people. But I believe the most important thing for us at the moment is our sovereignty and our titles. Once we get that acknowledgement, I believe it will have repercussions throughout the whole country.
Ko tō tāte whakatau ki ko mātou ngā hapu. Te mga whenua, ko mātou ngā hapu a rangatironga tō mātou kuiho. Tū mai raro wena, ianga mai wena kupu hia, ianga mai tēnā whakatau ki hia, nā watawa tūkana mātou. I raro i te ha, he wakaputanga, me te triti o waitanga. Haka mahi a wena pau tokorua. Haka mahi, engari, wena pau, e noho rawa korea nei ai nena. He hapu mā tū mai haka mahi a ngā pau nei. Mā tātū e nei pau haka mahi, haka ohore. Ke kite te krana ai pēne na tua ngā pui whānei. Ka we tāte tuku ke wehe wehe.